Every brand has their hero cars, right? We have a history of making cars which are highly efficient. This time, it's like less than 90 kilowatts of battery pack and we want to do 1,000 kilometers. That's a huge challenge. I'm Sandeep Bhamra, Chief Designer at Renault, Advanced Design and Concept Cars. In 1925, so 100 years ago exactly, we made the 40CV. 40CV is kind of a mythical car for me because it was pre-war, huh? It was quite early, 1925, and then it did all the records of distance between 1925 and 1926.
Je m'appelle Dominique William Jackson et je suis en charge du marketing et des événements pour The Originals Renault, la collection. Filante Record 2025 fait référence à deux modèles historiques, 40 chevaux des records. Alors là, c'est en termes de design. On va retrouver ce capot extrêmement long, ce châssis étroit, la recherche de nouvelles technologies de carrosserie pour améliorer la légèreté de la voiture. Et ça, on va le retrouver aussi sur l'étoile filante de 1956, où là, il va s'agir d'être le plus léger possible avec une carrosserie en polyester et qui va battre des records de vitesse sur le lac Salé de Bonneville aux États-Unis, puisqu'elle va franchir la barre des 300 km/h. Battre des records chez Renault, c'est une tradition, ça fait partie de l'ADN de la marque, le fait de repousser les limites de la technologie et de la recherche d'efficience.
But let's do a car in 2025 to celebrate 100 years of our spirit. And of course, this time we will do it in electric. Our goal is efficiency, so we want to have a battery pack of the same size as a Scenic. Nobody has done it yet, so it's a psychological barrier that we have to reach.
Filante Record 2025, c'est également un véritable laboratoire technologique parce qu'avec les recherches que nous faisons pour améliorer l'efficience de cette voiture, l'objectif est de pouvoir l'adapter ensuite demain sur les véhicules de série.
This purpose is to learn how to make cars more efficient. How to take electric cars to the peak of performance, peak of efficiency, peak of the capacity to make long distance travel. The holy trinity of this project is aerodynamics, tire resistance, and weight. So if one of these parameters is not right, we cannot make the record that we want to do.
That here, even in the shape in a section, we feel that it's going to be easier to have the airflow inside.
So in design, we thought to make a homage to this spirit of Renault brand. So there were many different ideas of how to do this car. Some of them were inspired by 40CV, some of them were quite different actually. So we propose sketches and then we try to make sense of the design and make sense of the storytelling, because each designer has his own storytelling, his own inspiration. Honestly, there is stress, of course. It's quite a difficult challenge, and of course there's still work to be done.